Hello and welcome to Marc's Trucking Page. Hello and welcome back to Marc's Trucking Page. Nice cup of coffee. Just what the doctor ordered. Just got to put this en route. Continue. Use. Confirm. Right. How the devil are we all? Sorry, I'm not all set up yet. We'll let you know where I'm going in a bit. PE1 2AF. Who knows what postcode that is? Can anyone guess? PE1. What postcode could that be, I wonder? Anyway, I'll let you know in a bit. Let you think about it. No Googling. Right. Oh, I've only just started this cough. As you can see, this yard is muddy, very muddy. I don't even know how to get out of here actually. Take us out that way. Yeah, had an early wake up call this morning, 3 o'clock. But it got me up, got me going. So yeah, I had a 3 AM wake up call. Oh, this is going to be tight. Where's he going then? Down that way. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this. Let's have a look. Easy. Very easy. Don't know if you can see the M18 just over there. But yeah, as I was saying, I had a nice 3 AM wake up call this morning. Had an Audi tip an Audi at 4 AM. So stopped at the stockyard last night, just off the M18, and yeah, it's good night's sleep with security all going around all night. So it's all secure in that. Paid on Snap obviously. It's only 20 quid there. It's not bad at all. Do pack you in like sardines though. I was a bit worried about getting out of that space this morning, but I'll get out fine. At 3:30 this morning. Oh, that was early. That was very early. But, you know, it don't happen very often. So yeah, cracked on to Audi, got it tipped. Thought there's no point recording none of that because it's all dark. And then I thought I'd start my intro at my collection. So that's what I've done.
The roundabout, take the first exit to M18.
So yeah, just in Doncaster at the moment. Quite close. Just in Doncaster, literally just off the M18. So yeah, got loaded alright. Yeah, got loaded, and now I'm on the way to Peterborough. PE1 is correct. Peterborough it is. You are correct if you got that. So yeah, off to Peterborough, down the A1, and turn that off. Cruise control on. Get up to 56. Let's get cracking. Let's get down. Got double dropper today, so I've got Peterborough and then Ipswich.
continue on M18.
So should be there for about, well, I'll have a 15 I suspect, because I started at quarter past 3, so that's the time I flicked the old card over. Anyway, I had 9 hours off last night, so just slow down to let him go. Get up to speed again. Flash him in. Thank you very much. And he said thanks. Wowzers. So yeah, on the way to Peterborough. Is that what I was saying? I can't remember. Don't know where this cough has come from. I haven't had a cough all week. Never mind. Oh yeah, that was what I was saying. I need a 15-minute break on the way down there because I started at 3:15 this morning. So I do need a break on the way down. Just 15. So I should be there for about 9:45, I should think. 9:45, 10 o'clock. And then at Ipswich for, I don't know, 12, 1 o'clock, I should think. Probably need a break as well on the way down, so it's a couple hours away, Peterborough, so yeah, I thought I'd start me intro now. Hope everyone is doing well this week. And this week so far, it's been a pretty good week. Started at 5 on Monday. Went down to Dartford. Came back up from there. Went to Felixstowe. Went to the Midlands, Walsall, for a Tuesday morning. Didn't done much overtime this week actually. Didn't done a 15 yet this week, so I suspect I will today. Didn't done a 10-hour drive yet this week either, so maybe I will today, maybe I won't. I don't know. And then Tuesday afternoon, can't remember where I went Tuesday afternoon now. No, can't remember. Nah, can't remember. That's gone. Totally gone. But anyway, there we go. Yeah, collected that LD lot from Northfleet yesterday. So yeah, it's been a pretty good week. Still enjoying it. As I keep saying, I just love it. It's brilliant. Just leave it alone. Let you go on with it. Literally do. They haven't phoned me all week. It's just brilliant. For these people that keep saying, oh, they'll make you max your hours out and everything like that. Nah, not at all. Maybe on a Friday afternoon is a bit iffy. It's been finishing roughly about 5, 6 o'clock, but I was doing that at Bartram's anyway, so, you know, make no odds to me. So, anyway, gonna crack on. Let's crack on down to Peterborough. And then, yeah, I should catch you in a bit. It's only 2 days and I've got a week off, so I just thought I'd start my vlog on a Thursday morning. It is now 7:38. It's Thursday morning and 7:38. Gonna crack on down. I got there at 6:15, so it's not too bad. Went in there too long, just over an hour. So I will back off because I've got to come off in 2.5 miles anyway. So I'm gonna back off from him, getting rather close. And yeah, let's crack on down to Peterborough. So catch you in a bit. Toodles. Welcome back. I am almost there. Just don't know how to get there or anything. So I'm hopefully. Apparently, it's round that bend just there. We shall see. Well, now I'm Peterborough anyway. It's now 10 o'clock. Take it out wide a little bit so the trailer can get round. Let's go. Right. Red light. Hopefully, fingers crossed, be nice and easy to get to. But who knows? And then it is Ipswich from here. So run, Forest, run. Well, I can't see it yet. Apparently it's over that roundabout, so hopefully it's this side and it's easier to get to, or into, should I say.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Borges Boulevard.
Yeah. Traffic lights again. Waitress, but we don't want that. Let's hope I don't miss it. Also forgot to tell you that I've had a Euro trailer on all week, a Crone trailer. Didn't like it one little bit. Took a little bit of getting used to. Old European trailer. Right. SO Garage. I see Home Bargains. I do see it, but how would you get into it?
PE1 2AF on the left.
Where do lorries go into it, I wonder? I've only got about 12 pallets for them.
Arriving at PE1 2AF on the left.
Don't reckon it's in there. Or that could have been. Huh? Yeah, I reckon it could have been, you know. Because I don't think it's that way, is it? Or is it? Oh, I'm not sure. Is it this way? He's not so sure. Don't know if you can get into it this way or not. Home Bargains, Home Bargains, Home Bargains. I'm not really sure. Take it. I go this way. I think it's this way. Not entirely sure if I've gone into the right bit or not. Am I in the right bit? Excellent. Oh well, that was alright then. Wasn't too bad. Straighten her up. And then there we go. Right. You know I'm here. Just get this off and get down to Ipswich. Catch you in a bit. Toodles. Oh, hello. Welcome back. Tipped. And let's go again. Been here about 20-25 minutes. So it's all good. Oh. Yeah, half an hour I've been here. Dead on. So that's all good. On that, put this in my sat nav. IP8 4DZ, Brantford Road. Right, let's go. Hit the road, eh? Hit the road again. Is there? Shall we? Alright. Let's go. Hi ho. Let's go. Alright. Obviously, no entry that way. So, so quiet. I love it. 12:37, but I'm going to need a break on the way down there. So, should be about 1:30, I reckon, ish, when I'll get down there. So, that won't be too bad. Could have done with that space, but there we go. Nothing I can do about that. go.
the roundabout, take the fourth exit to Borges Boulevard.
Yeah, so basically, go to the roundabout, turn around. So I'm on the opposite side, and then I can go. So let's get in the right hand lane first of all. Well, that weren't too bad, was it? That weren't too bad at all. What impressed. So we're going to Lumberjacks in Ipswich now. And then see what I head out with from there then. It'll either be Felixstowe or back to the yard and back out with something. I think that'll be about 2 o'clock. So it won't be too bad at all. It's all good. It's all good in the hood.
Second exit.
Right then. Let's get cracking. Navigate my way out of Peterborough, and then I shall come back to you when I get to not so sunny Suffolk. Catch you in a bit. Toodles. Hello again. Oh dear. You've rejoined me at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. I'm all parked up. Obviously started at 3:15 this morning, so I parked up here at quarter to 6. I parked up. I wanted to get to Rothwell tonight, but I couldn't make it there. So I phoned the office up, asking where the best place to park is, and as I was at Newmarket, and they said come to R Turners where we keep a couple of our trailers and whatever. So it's like a little farm. So it's a haulage company. So yeah, parked here. It's free, nice and quiet. Another one of my colleagues here as well. So yeah, like I say, I wanted to get to Rothwell, but yeah, couldn't quite make it. But never mind. Such is life, eh? When did I leave you? Left you at Peterborough, I think, wasn't it? Yeah, that was at Peterborough. I couldn't take you in with me because I was on the phone to the office. I had trouble getting to it because I know there's a couple of low bridges near it, and they were just talking me through it, how to get in there, what was the best way. But I had to go down London Road, basically past the yard, but I had to go straight down London Road onto Yarmouth Road, or take a left onto Yarmouth Road, then Brantford Road, under the 15'9" bridge, and then to Lumberjacks that way. So if you know Ipswich. So yeah, and then obviously came out and I was on the phone to the wife, so I couldn't record then. And then I thought I won't record at Felixstowe because that's where I got this load from. Because I'm now heading to Lutterworth for a 10 AM delivery tomorrow. I'm about 2 hours away from it, so I shall get up at 6 and start and leave about 6:30, 7:15, I should think. See if I can get in early. If not, then just have to wait, won't I? So yeah, I found out something about my passenger seat the other day. Let's have a look. Let's see if I can take you off there. Let's see if I can take you off here. Let's see. Take that off there. Right. Okay. Right. Now, squeeze the kettle. That button there. I only, excuse me tea. There's me tea, just warmed it up. Lovely. Lovely on the old job. But I only just found this out yesterday. So if I pull it in, hang on, let's see if we can put you somewhere, shall we? There. It should swing round. Not sure. Not sure if it can or not. No. Oh. It's the first time I've actually worked it out. First time I've actually used it, so I weren't quite sure. Anyway, no, it don't really turn. There's not enough room. I think the bed's in the way, to be honest with you, but I don't need it anyway to turn. So yeah, there's me spag bowl for tonight. I don't usually have spag bowl, but obviously didn't get a pasta dish this week. I blame the wife. She's the one that goes shopping. Blame the wife. Gotta blame someone, ain't you? Ah dear. Yeah, so this is my cardigan. I know you've seen it, but I have ordered some mats for it. So yeah, just waiting for them to turn up. Should turn up next week while I'm off, so that'll be nice. Do like these seats as well, nice leather seats. Very nice indeed. Yeah, so come out here. Show you where I am. Put my boots on. Oh, right. Here we are. So I came in from that way, and then pulled in there. No, pulled down here, reversed up there, pulled up there, and then backed it down. So yeah. Our Turner. It's one of our trailers there, actually. Don't know if it's just been dropped or whatever, but yeah, quite a nice little place. It's nice and quiet, so yeah, it's quite nice. There's my colleague. I think he's in bed at the moment. So yeah, looks quite nice with them sat together. But yeah, so that's going to be it for this vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Do appreciate it. Trailer's a bit dirty, isn't it? Trailer is very dirty. Needs a wash, really. I only just picked it up from Felixstowe. But yeah, thanks for watching. Do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. There's a field behind there. People running and everything like that. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Really do appreciate it. Get lay in tomorrow. 6 o'clock. I am knackered. So yeah, I'm gonna have my tea, have a cuppa, and go to bed, I think, and enjoy the rest of the evening. So and it's going to be it for 2 weeks, because I'm off next week. Just got one more day to go, and then that's it, I'm off. So yeah, hope you have a good 2 weeks. I hope you don't miss me too much, and I'm going to have a little break and recharge your batteries a bit, because they certainly do need charging. And yeah, hopefully come back bigger and stronger and better. So it is 5 o'clock somewhere, and you have a good one. Keep on trucking. Toodles.